this is the light from Halford's, and I will tell you, I mean, a good price, but I can't say that 1,000 lumens is adequate for doing anything in the dark that's technical. It was twilight and there was still a lot of light, and I could have really used some extra light coming in from that flash and that flashlight, that torch, and it wasn't doing it. This thing, we're talking about full gear. You're over 50, we don't heal like people do when they're younger. So I really suggest, even if you're doing XC, sure, you're not jumping 30 feet in the air, but you never know when you go down what's gonna happen.
You're like full on.
Oh.
That's a motorcycle jacket, isn't it?
This is a motorcycle, yeah.
I'm looking at you and I can see motorcycle gear.
What's up?
You okay? Oh, you got the GoPro going. Nice. Yeah.
Does everybody sniffle when they're riding? Because it seems like I'm fine until I start riding, and then it's this post-nasal drip for the entire time.